Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is WorkPro Garden Tools Set. Durable stainless steel. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel that is extremely resistant to rust and corrosion. The tools also feature a sturdy construction and thick steel components that promise longevity. Precise and sharp design. The blade of pruner is made of premium SK5 steel, which is specially designed for quickly and precisely cutting. The high back design of the weeder makes you effortless when you loosen and dig weeds from soil. The precise scale on the transplanter can help you transplant green plants effectively and quickly. The storage tote bag is specially created to help you pack your tools away neatly in your garage or storage shed. After all, nothing is worse than unorganized tools, as they're hard to pack away neatly. The bag features exterior pockets on the side that are meant to offer an area to sheath the sharp steel of your tools. The strong polyester is easy to wash off so that you're not tracking dirt into your garage or car as you carry your tools. Strong gardening gloves can protect your hands from the sharp barbs along a stem and the pointed leaves that seek to pierce and irritate the skin. These specific gloves are perfect for getting a grip on your tools with the rubber on the palms that protects your hands from any straying plants that could hurt your hands and disrupt your gardening tasks. Let's watch more.
Set from WorkPro, with 6 purpose-built hand tools, a pair of gardening gloves, and a convenient storage tote. This set includes a transplanter with 4-inch depth engravings, a trowel for digging, a hand fork for aerating and mixing, a weeder for precise weed removal, a cultivator for loosening and spreading soil, and a pair of pruning shears for trimming stems and small branches. The hand tools feature comfortably contoured wooden handles for a comfortable grip and lanyard loops for additional storage options. Built to last with quality components, these tools are sure to serve any gardener well for years to come. WorkPro. Build a better project.
Our second best garden tool set is Glaric Gardening Tool Set. The garden tool set is a great gift for any horticultural enthusiast, children's labor experience, great for kids and seniors. The complete gardening tool set with 5 high-quality heavy-duty cast aluminum alloy hand tools is perfect for all your garden needs. With tick marks, to get plant depth, so that small plants and flowers transplanted easily. Quick and easy to plant, waterproof and puncture resistant to protect your hands. Collecting wild vegetables, ideal for removing dandelions, thistles and other invasive weeds. All the tools included in the garden kits with a user-friendly hanging hole, a hole at the top of each handle for clutter-free storage. Safe lock. The innovative design of the professional safety lock is more convenient to use and safer to operate. The safety open/close clip, which help to hide the blades during rest and allow for easy and safe storage. The storage bag with multiple organizer pockets. It has elastic loops to help keep tools in place, and it includes 8 convenient side pockets for easy access to carry your accessories during indoor or outdoor planting. Great gardening gifts ever. This 10 pieces gardening set is the best gift for grandparents, parents, wives, husbands, friends and children, suitable for any holiday, anniversary, Christmas and so on. It comes with the basics for a person who enjoys gardening as a hobby. Third in our list is Todosi Garden Tool Set. Garden Tool Set 83 pieces, gardening kit with vegetable garden hand tools, succulent tools set, gardening gifts for men, women. The garden tools kit is made of polished aluminum, which has gloss, rust resistance, and robustness. 74-piece heavy-duty gardening tools set and 9-piece mini succulent tools set: pruner, weeder, trowel, transplanter, hand fork, hand rake, plant rope, garden seeder, spray bottle, carry bag, 2-pack plant self-watering spikes, 2 gloves, 40 plant tags, 20 butterfly stakes, and 9 pieces mini succulent tools set. The transplanting trowel has depth measurements on it, to get plant depth, so that small plants and flowers transplanted easily. A hand trowel is suitable for all small digging jobs when planting, taking up plants, turning up the earth, and more. The hand fork great for loosening soil or mulch for air and water penetration. The hand rake is perfect for loosening soil, remove weeds, and aerate the soil. Gloves with claw make digging easy. Gloves no claw is flexible and suitable for grading. Quick and easy to plant, waterproof, and puncture resistant to protect your hands. Number 4 in our best garden tools set list is Taiker Garden Tools Set. This 82 pieces garden tools meets all your needs in your garden, helping you create a vibrant and colorful garden paradise. Easily till, dig, plant, spray and comprehensively handle any indoor or outdoor gardening scenario, vegetables, herbs, flowers, and more. Comprehensive and complete gardening tools set for your garden, lawn and yard. These 6 metal hand tools are made of Japanese carbon steel with ultrafine polishing technology to keep corrosion resistance and toughness. Lightweight and ergonomic with comfortable rubber handle. Heavy-duty garden tool kit comes with a machine washable and multi-pocketed double-gauge cotton tote bag that makes it easy to carry, access, store gardening supplies as needed. Excellent storage and organizer. Ideal for trimming the plants on your garden. Equipped with a flexible switch button, you can easily open and lock the pruner, which ensures safety for use. Our last pick is YUKOKI Garden Tool Set. This garden tool set contains 12 pieces high-quality gardening tools. Gardening pruner's blades are made of high-carbon SK5 steel. Compare with aluminum-made blades, it is more tough, sharp and durable. The ergonomically engineered handles, ideally for long-time multi-purpose intensive pruning. Additionally, it also includes a stainless snip, ideal for the precisely trimming and shaping of flowers and small plants. This complete gardening tool set with 5 high-quality heavy-duty cast aluminum alloy hand tools is perfect for all your garden needs, such as a trowel for digging, a weeder for weeding, a rake loosening soil, a spade for transplanting and a cultivator for aerating soil. All the tools included in the garden kits with a user-friendly hanging hole, a hole at the top of each handle for clutter-free storage. The waterproof durable gardener's apron with multiple organizer pockets is designed to keep your gardening supplies and accessories close at hand. Made of waterproof 600D polyester with PVC coating for easy care. Fit for both women and men. Special designed high-quality packing box can be used for storage the whole set of the tools. The waterproof kneeling pad provides firm yet comfortable support for your knees while gardening.